Welcome to this quick guide on viewing hidden contacts in Messenger, updated for the latest app versions. If you've ever wondered how to see people you've hidden or secured contacts you didn't want to miss, you're in the right place. We'll walk through the steps clearly so you can access those hidden connections in just a few taps. First, open the Messenger app on your device. It's the blue chat bubble with a white lightning bolt, and it should be sitting on your home screen or app drawer. Once it opens, look for the menu option. This is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile icon in the upper left or right corner, depending on your device and app version. Tap it to reveal your navigation menu. From there, select Settings. This section houses all the customization and privacy options for your Messenger experience. If you don't see settings right away, you might need to scroll or look under a gear icon, but it should be clearly labeled. Tap Settings and you'll enter a space where Messenger stores all your account preferences. Now, scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety. It's typically near the middle or lower portion of the list. Tap Privacy and Safety to open a new set of controls focused on who can contact you, who can see your information, and other safety features. Within Privacy and Safety, locate Hidden Contacts. This is where Messenger groups or hides certain contact lists for privacy or organizational reasons. Tap Hidden Contacts to view the details. Here you'll see the list of accounts you've set aside or hidden from your standard contact view. If you want to review who's been hidden, this is the precise panel to check. If you decide you'd like to unhide someone, look for the option to restore them to your main contacts or to your favorites, depending on how the app labels it in your version. Confirm your choice if prompted, and the contact will reappear in your regular contact list. It's a straightforward process that helps you manage who you see and who stays tucked away. A quick tip, app layouts change with updates, so if you don't see hidden contacts exactly as described, look for similarly named sections like hidden or restricted contacts within Privacy and Safety. A tiny search within Settings can also help you locate the feature faster. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can confidently view and manage hidden contacts in Messenger, keeping your messaging experience as organized as you need. If you have questions about a different app version or run into a snag, drop a note in the comments and I'll help you troubleshoot.